Okay, so before I turn the car, I'm gonna put the camera near the exhaust system with the phone, and we're gonna see what happens. Alright y'all, so the results are, the maximum it got when I first cranked it was at 99 and the average is about 87.4. You don't believe me? There you go. Hopefully when I get the mid pipe that changes, but the only way to find out is when we install it, so we'll see. So I guess right now I'm on my way to get my mid pipes installed, and we're gonna see what happens. I'll be right back. Alright y'all, so I got the new mid pipes. I know there's a train, but hold on, we're about to see what happens. Give y'all a couple revs here in a bit, coming up to a stop sign. Holy heck, guys, this thing is popping now. Let's see. Oh yeah. Hell yes. Alright guys, one more time, I promise. This is not gonna get old. It probably will get old because like my exhaust got pretty old, just the soundness of it. Hold on, let's see what I can do revving it. I don't want to scare this old lady, hold on. Yeah. Alright, so I'm actually gonna go ahead back home. I'll be right back. I'm gonna see how loud the car gets now. So go ahead, drive back home. Be right back. Alright everybody, I'm back home. I'm gonna give it a couple revs and just hear how it sounds. One thing I do admit, when I first turn the key, it's not as loud as it used to be. But I guess in the long run, with the mid pipes gone and me just full throttle on the Mustang, it is badass. Here we go. Shit. Alright guys, so I thought it would also be cool to do it before and after, like how loud is my car with just the catback Magnaflow Competition Series 3-inch pipes, and then with the new 2.5 off-road H pipe with the catalytic converter delete. The only thing I'm missing right now is the headers, so I'm gonna give y'all a little sound clip and like the what Nate Ryder uses for his Mustang as well. So here we go. Hopefully the wind doesn't mess up everything. Alright y'all, so the results from how loud my Mustang is, I'm pretty sure before I did it to 3,000 or 4,000 RPM, which I did it as well, and it got all the way to 123 max. Average is 107, guys. That's amazing. That's almost there. I can't wait till like I get the headers involved and get GT40 head. Guys, I just got a lot going on. And this car is amazing. Big shout out to my friends. Thank you for like having faith in me. Shout out to this YouTube channel. And if you want like the perfect exhaust system sound, for me, I go with the Magnaflow Competition Series 3. Series with the off-road H pipe. Unfortunately, if you have an automatic, you gotta go with shorty headers with the off-road H pipe. But if you have a manual, you go with the long tube headers with the off-road H pipe, which is what I wanted originally. But unfortunately, since my car is a Matic, which is why I got the off-road H pipe for the shorty header version. But either way, both cars will probably sound just as loud. The thing is, you get more horsepower with the long tube headers installment. What is going on, y'all, and welcome back to It's a Daily. As you know, I'm a new grown YouTuber working on a 92 5.0 convertible Mustang. And just recently, as you see in the prior video, I just had my mid pipe installed, and I've already got in trouble with it. But first, I'm gonna give y'all a sound clip again, because this never gets old for me. Ready? Uh-oh. There we go. But yeah, and I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't, I can't get mad at it because I was at fault. So basically what happened was, you know, I got new mid pipes installed and I kind of want to see what it sounds like driving around. So I was hauling ass, revving it all around the neighborhood, and finally, guys, I'm just cruising. Hopefully I don't get in trouble for that. But anyways, so yeah, you know, I'm just driving around, I'm just breaking in the new mid pipe, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm driving stupid. I wouldn't say reckless, but I'm just driving stupid, you know, 0 to 60 as fast as I can, and I'm just revving it. And in my apartment complex, we actually have a neighborhood pop, I guess you could say. He's the Paul Blart in his apartment complex. But anyways, you know, I was showing my roommate Danny, as y'all saw his first impressions just too, he was really impressed with the Mustang. And so what happened was, we came out from Brahms because Danny wanted to get some ice cream like he usually does. It's like a tradition, he always buys 2 gallons of ice cream. But anyways, so we're coming back, and really where we stay at, there's like a pretty good, decent straightway. And so I went ahead and just gave it some gas again, and it was just starting. Crap, hold on. Okay, so I went ahead and gave it some gas and just fucking hauled ass, and there's a little pretty good, decent straightway at my apartment complex. And I guess he heard it, and he started like running outside straight towards my Mustang. And I thought it felt kind of sketchy. I thought he was trying to check it out, or, you know, do something, because it didn't look right, because this dude was looking straight at the Mustang and he was chasing it. And so finally, before Danny and I got into our room, or in our apartment, I was like, hold on, let me just stand out here and see what's up. This guy's just following us. So he's like, hey man, can I speak to you real quick? And so we meet him back downstairs. And I was like, yeah, what's up? And he's like, hey man, your car sounds amazing, like I love it, but just give you a heads up, I don't want anybody giving you any complaints. You might want to be careful on how you drive next time. And he's like, yesterday it actually woke up my kid. And I was like, hold on, before you say anything else, yesterday I didn't even do anything, just because 1, I drove my Charger, and 2, I just got the mid pipe installed today, so it wasn't me, because it doesn't sound as loud as it did yesterday, or well, I guess now the day before. And he's like, oh okay, well I'm totally sorry for that, you know, I didn't mean to assume it was you. He's like, I just kind of did, just because, you know, you're kind of driving pretty fast and you want to be careful. And I was like, oh yeah, no, for sure, I understand. I was like, I'm sorry for waking up your kid and for the loud noises. It's just like, I was like, I just got the new part in today, and I was like super excited, my adrenaline's going, you know. And he's like, oh yeah, no, for sure. He's like, I understand you, like I said, your car sounds amazing. And he actually subscribed to the channel, and he was like, I'm really looking forward on like seeing what else you do next to your car. Just make sure, like, at least, he said, at least in the apartment complex, can you like not haul ass, just because I don't want it waking up my kids. And I was like, yeah, don't worry man. I was like, it was just like a one-time thing. Like I said, it was just new pipes I got installed, and I was just seeing like how loud it could really get. So we got to work things out. And guys, I'm not gonna lie, please don't be stupid like I have been. Like, I understand you want to install a new part, but it's the right place and the wrong place, and I definitely did it at the wrong place at the wrong time. It's just, I really don't care. I want to say I'm reckless, but like, I'm pretty cautious, and I understand. I know how to drive. I know my limits. It's just like yesterday, like I said, guys, this has been a huge project car for me, which is why I was so excited getting the new mid pipes, and which is why I was driving stupid. But that, I understand, I respect it. And the cool thing is, like I said, he could have just made a complaint, but he didn't. He just went straight to me. Basically, it was like kind of verbiage warning. It was like, hey, basically, I know he didn't say it, but I know it was just like basically him saying, if you do that again, then I'm gonna basically rat you out and come make a complaint to you about you. So, like I said, I respect him. Shout out to the neighborhood cop. I hope you're watching this video. Like I said, it was just a one-time thing. As you can see, I'm driving normal again. Like I said, I just wanted to break it in, see how loud it could really get. I'm really excited and seeing what this car could do like at a quarter mile now, or even just like on a racing strip. Like, I'm really looking forward to testing the waters. But yeah, but honestly guys, I'm not gonna lie, I think yesterday too, when I installed it, like I said, I was driving stupid in the neighborhood, and I'm pretty sure a lot of the people that stay in that neighborhood were making complaints, because out of nowhere a whole bunch of cops were coming. Luckily, like when I was driving and fucking hauling ass, literally when I started to slow down, a cop would pass us, and it was too late for them to even catch me on the scene. So like I was nailing it perfectly. Alright y'all, so that's gonna be the end of my story of how I first got in trouble with my new mid-pipes and catback system. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video, leave a comment. Like I said, if you're in Norman, Oklahoma, hit me up. I'm always down for a cruise, or if you're wondering like what other project I got going on or what other stuff I have planned for the Foxbody, just comment down below. I'll let you know. Here pretty soon I'll probably do an update as to like a whole list and how much everything costs, like what I've done so far to the Foxbody. But that's gonna be, like I said, the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Your boy's out.